So remember, when it comes to twin needle sewing, we actually have to go into settings first in order to program for that. So right there on page 1, twin needle, I'll go ahead and turn it on. And the next thing I'm going to do is I have this little contraption in there, and you'll notice there's a hole. This hole is going to actually fit on my bobbin winder. And it just fits snugly on there. And then at this point, I can take my spool pin and rotate it to the left. Now I have a place for my second thread spool. Go ahead and lock that in there with my spool cap. And we're going to thread just like normal with a little exception towards the end. So I'm going to go ahead and come from here to number 1. And just like the first thread, we just follow along that thread path. I'm coming around and down to 3 through that channel and up and around towards number 4. And I'll go from right to left. You can see now that we have the 2 different thread colors. The first one was the main thread, right? And that's represented in white. I'm going to make sure that it goes through my left needle hole. My brown one, which is the second one, is going to go through my right needle hole. But unlike the first one, remember we had to go back through and behind that little needle bar at the top with the white. This time with the brown, we actually skip over that. We don't want it to go behind. We're simply going to go from number 5 straight back to the needle in the right hand position. Now remember, because we're using the twin needle function, unfortunately we're not able to use our needle threader, so we do have to do this manually. And again, when it's time to do the brown thread right here, which is my second spool up on top, I'm going to go down to the right needle position, but do not go behind the needle bar. We just go straight from number 5 and through the hole. And there we go. Both of our needles have been threaded, and now we can have some fun with twin needling. All right, I don't know how well you can see that with the brown thread, but look how beautiful that stitching is. I mean, it's just wonderful for being able to do a beautiful top stitch along a bag or along a garment of some sort. The twin needle function is actually really, really fun when you think about it. You can change up colors, you can have the same color, and it's going to give a nice professional finish to any stitch. Now that's with straight stitch seaming, but let's take a look and see what it looks like if I change this over to a zigzag and see what also happens. And there we go. We have a totally different look. Again, 2 parallel lines right up against one another, and it looks really, really nice, I think. Now, the soprano actually comes with 1 set of twin needles. However, there are a lot of different widths you can get. So out on the market, and we have them here at my girlfriend's quilt shop, where you can do the millimeters a little bit larger. So you can go like a 4 millimeter width or a 6 millimeter width. So try out some different twin needle stitching and have fun with it. Can't wait to see what you make.